Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 18th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, let's talk about BOXABL, a company that's making waves in the housing industry with its innovative approach to home construction. BOXABL is on a mission to mass-produce affordable housing using patented technology. Their flagship product, the Casita, is a compact, pre-built home that can be set up in less than a day. With over 190,000 reservations and more than 600 homes already built, BOXABL is gaining significant traction. The company has raised over $150 million and is seeking an additional $1 billion to expand its production capabilities. Their vision is to create a modular building system inspired by automotive manufacturing, aiming to make housing more accessible and affordable for everyone. Next, we have Hyperlane's new interoperability solution, Superlane, developed with Velodrome Fi. This initiative provides early access to Optimism Superchain interoperability, offering benefits like shared liquidity and interchain applications. Superlane aims to address the fragmentation caused by new Layer 2 solutions by creating a unified interoperability layer. It allows for permissionless scaling and is set to go live in November, with Velodrome supporting Hyperlane validators. Moving on to Ethereum's future, the article discusses the surge phase of its development. Ethereum's scaling strategy now focuses on a roll-up-centric roadmap to enhance scalability while maintaining the robustness of its main chain. The goal is to achieve over 100,000 transactions per second across Layer 1 and Layer 2, ensuring decentralization and interoperability. Recent advancements include EIP 4844, which increased Ethereum's data bandwidth, and the emergence of multiple EVM rollups. However, challenges remain in ensuring rollups inherit Ethereum's core properties and achieve seamless interoperability. In other news, André Cronje of Sonic Labs has criticized Layer 2 appchains for high infrastructure costs and fragmented liquidity. He argues these issues hinder developer focus on applications. However, Hilmar Orth of Gelato Network and Mark Boiron of Polygon Labs counter that infrastructure is now more accessible, and solutions like AgLayer could address liquidity challenges. This debate highlights differing views on the viability of appchains within the crypto community. Worldcoin has rebranded to World, introducing a new version of its biometric scanning device, the Orb, now powered by NVIDIA hardware. This update makes the Orb 5 times more powerful and efficient. World has also launched new identity verification methods using NFC-enabled passports and a service called DeepFace to combat deepfake technology. These changes aim to enhance user accessibility and security. Finally, Base has announced its mission for 2024, focusing on creating a global onchain economy. Their strategy includes a developer platform, an app ecosystem, and a capital market. Base is enhancing security with Pessimism, an open-source monitoring system, and has launched the Base Ecosystem Fund to invest in emerging projects. They've also opened their bridge for ETH transfers and introduced Base Camp, a learning program for smart contract development. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered today. Join us next time for more updates on the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Until then, stay informed and stay secure.